Hello, traders. It is Monday, April 6th, and we are about 3.5 hours into trading. Market has had a huge rally so far today, and let's take a quick look at that. We are right up on a major resistance level at SPY 262.50, and if we're able to close through that level, I would view that as very bullish. You can see a cup and handle formation here. Cup and handle. That would be the lip right there. If we can close above it, I think we've got a chance to continue higher the rest of the week. So very, very important level. You can see if that's the extent of the selling that we're going to see out of the market was those 3 weekdays, actually 1 weekday, and then 2 days that find support, and then we rally off of it. That's bullish. This market wants to go higher. So I think that we need to watch what happens into the close very carefully. Typically, on a gap higher like this, you're going to see a retracement on the open and have that bid checked at least a little bit, especially after super heavy, heavy selling like we saw on Friday. No upticks at all, just constant, constant selling pressure for the first 5 hours of trading. And then nothing, no signs of life until very late in the day. Was that just because we're heading into the weekend? Gosh, I don't know. It was really heavy selling. So I'm a little surprised that we didn't check that bid harder today, and I had a hard time buying anything. So we have the market opens and then 3 long green candles, get a little bit of a pullback in here that helped us identify some relative strength, but still, I had a very tough time. I did not get long. I've had 3 trades, 3 stock trades. I've had 1 loser and 2 winners. I'm green, but barely. I'm not making a lot of money today because I don't want to be the chump who gets the rug pulled out from under him today. So now that I've seen the rally unfold and I've seen us take out the high and I've seen us challenge that 262.50 level, I've got a change of opinion. My opinion is this is a bullish trend day. We should close pretty close to the high, should be able to close at that 262.50 level or better. And because of that, we're going to see a little bit of a sell off here. So, in the next hour, hour and a half, I'm looking for a drop. It's going to flush out some of these bullish speculators, and then we'll have a chance. I'm looking for then a bullish hammer and a rally into the close. So, I've had to be very, very patient today. I've had to wait. Now I know how the market's going to play out, and I'm waiting for that dip, and I'll be buying strong stocks. So, stocks that I like, pretty easy to find. Going to go right into bull run. KLAC looks good. You can see that constant grind higher through the high of the day. It's continuing to push higher. What's the market doing? Flatlining. It's moving higher. Relative strength. I want to buy it. MA, another nice example. Through the high of the day, grinding, market flat. This stock wants to go higher. Alta, another example. Through the high of the day, stock grinding, market flat, wants to go higher. Market pulls back. I'm going to be waiting for that pullback to find support. Any kind of long red candle with a bullish hammer after it, I'm in. I will buy any one of these 3 stocks. And in fact, I'm just going to keep clicking through my bull run list. Every couple of minutes, I'll just keep going through it, looking for those longs. I can also look at relative strength 30. This will help me identify stocks that are pushing higher right now. Look at that. That's a really nice one. RH through the high of the day. See what BA is doing. Again, these are day trades that I'm showing you right now. I am not looking to overnight these by any means. My overnight strategy has been to find very strong stocks and to sell out of the money puts naked, way out of the money, like 25, 30% below the current price. I'm taking advantage of those inflated option premiums and I'm generating really nice income in the event that I don't get assigned. If I do get assigned, I'm going to end up buying some fantastic companies at incredible prices. So I believe that the market is going to chop around for a while. So I've given you a couple of longs that I like. I think these all set up pretty well. Alta I liked, MA I liked, Intel I actually like on a swing basis. So I'm going to give you Intel on a swing basis. Why do I like it? Go into that daily chart. I love the fact that it's above this 200-day moving average. You can see that it's been strong relative to the market. I'm going to put up that 1 OSI indicator. You can see orange line above zero, strong relative to the market. It was able to stay very, very close to that 200-day moving average last week when we saw market weakness. First time the market starts to bounce a little bit, boom, right up and through. KLAC also looked good on a D1 basis, so semiconductors are seeing a little bit of a bid in here. This stock is not as strong as INTC, but it sets up well for a good day trade towards the end of the day. So that's what we're doing, and that's how I'm playing the market. I do want to go into that daily chart on the SPY, 5-minute chart. We can expect a lot of choppy trading in here. This coronavirus news is going to be very heavy this week. I think the market's already starting to discount it a little bit because we should see the apex globally sometime towards the end of this week, maybe early next week. And then we get into the economic recovery. How long will it take? How quickly can people get back to work? Our business is going to be taking out the loan that the government is providing. Are banks going to be willing lenders? All of those things need to play out. Are people going to go back to their old spending habits? Perhaps they go back to work for a little while and wait until they're working and to see how busy the company is to make sure that they have job security before they go back to their spending habits. This all takes a lot of time to play out. At least a couple of months is needed before we have any kind of clarity on how all of this is resolved. So for right now, I'm staying very liquid. I'm playing the S&P 500 on a daily basis. I'm not forcing trades. I'm very patient. I'm waiting for things to set up on a swing trading basis. I'm also very patient selling way out of the money put premium. And for those of you who saw my video over the weekend, I posted it to YouTube instantly. I highlighted Gilead and I talked about selling a a naked put below the $65 level, and we're looking to get $1.30 for the May 1 $65 puts on GILD. I know that we were able to hit that price because I had people in the chat room that reported that fill, and you can see how the stock is actually trading lower today. So those options are in play. I'm going to click the option chain real quick. Let's take a price check, see where they're at right now. So we've got the May 1 $65 puts, $1.38 bid, offered at $1.61. You could have those all day, as many as you want right now, and you could sell them better than what we were looking for our entry point. If this trade works out, we're going to generate better than a 10% return in a 1 month period of time, and we're going to be trying to buy a stock like Gilead down at $65, which is about 20% lower than where it was on Friday. So, yes, I would be a willing buyer down here. In fact, we would be long that stock at $63.70, which puts us on this major horizontal support level. You can see how strong the stock has been relative to the market. During the last month and a half, the market has sold off hard. The stock has actually been able to grind higher. So I like Gilead, got a very strong balance sheet. I think that's one that you should consider. Intel, also really nice performer. I think that relative strength is excellent. You can look here to maybe sell a bullish put spread if you're real aggressive below that 200-day moving average. Otherwise, for naked put writers, I'd be looking to get a little bit further out of the money, maybe down to this $60 strike price. But I do like Intel. I think Intel looks pretty dang good in here. That's what I've got for you today. I gave you some nice stocks that should perform well into the close. Mainly, here's what you need to watch for. We've hit this resistance level on the SPY. From a day trading standpoint, I've given you MA, CLAC, Intel. Wait for that market pullback. Long red candle in there anywhere. Probably comes down to the 260.40 level on the SPY. Then I'm looking for a bullish hammer with a tail under body. I don't need to see a whole lot of it because I'm going to be buying that dip on the notion that the market will close near its high. We could get through that resistance level at 262.50. That would be bullish on the SPY for the rest of the week. So watch for that type of price action. Those are the stocks you want to day trade. If you're looking for a good overnight long to swing, I think Intel works well. I really like selling that out of the money naked put on Gilead as well. That's it. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel because I post these videos all the time. They'll have lots of actionable trades, and then you won't miss any of these picks. Thank you. Have a good day. We'll see you in the morning. Thank you for watching this YouTube video. I'm Pete Stolzers, and I'm going to keep the trade ideas coming along with lots of education, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and please turn on your notifications so that you never miss another trade. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up. I've loaded 2 other videos that I think you're really going to enjoy. Stay tuned. We'll see you soon.